Hi, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while, I know. Life has just been lifing, right? So I haven't really sewn anything or recorded anything too much, but late April, early May, I did sew a few things. So I'll share some of my successes and some fails that I had. So let's just talk about them. The first thing that I sewed was McCall's 8244. It was a workout set, so I did the top and the leggings, and I really like the design of both of them. I like that I could also add like a little color block situation to it. And then for the leggings, it had the cross waistband, so I thought that was really cute. I enjoyed making those, and they were real easy to put together. And why didn't anyone tell me about the double needle? Oh my God, I fell in love. So whenever I'm sewing stretch fabric, I will be using the double needle from now on. So the next thing that I made was Simplicity 9270. It was the travel outfit that I said I wanted to make out of the green double knit gauze. I think that's what the fabric was. I'm not sure. But I'm wearing the top that I made. So it didn't come out too bad. I actually like it. And I did kind of mess up on the collar piece because I'm still working on my collars. But this part came out, this side came out good, but this side didn't. So I'm not sure what happened. But the pants. The pants are a complete fail. They're too big. They don't come up enough. I don't know what happened. So it was a complete fail. I had just acted like I had never sewed before with these pants. It was like, it was my first time sitting down at the machine. So I don't know. Like I said, the top, I didn't add the buttons because after the pants failed, I just got sad, but it looked like it was gonna be cute. So I am gonna go back in, buy something, some more fabric for that and try it again because it wasn't hard to sew, it was just me. I made it a fail. So the next thing that I sewed was Simplicity 8801. It's a pajama set, kind of like a romper jumper situation. So I sewed View C, which is the shorter version, and I did it in a gray kind of knit fabric. I can't remember what kind it was, just something I picked up from Joann's. But it was cute, but the only thing is, it looks like a baseball outfit. So the top is kind of like a baseball uniform, and I don't, it's kind of growing on me, but I think if I had chose another fabric, maybe with some color, that it would have been better. So that's all the things that I made. So I would say only maybe one fail. I'll say that. So I want to share also what I'm planning on making. So my husband and I are going on a trip before sometime this summer. So I want to make a couple of things for that, and then I will bid you adieu. So I'm going to make Simplicity 8801 again, and I have this fabric that I purchased from, where did I buy this from? I don't know. Let me see. I think I bought it from Fabric Mart. I'm not sure, but it's a tie-dye jersey knit fabric, and it's a little thin for what I really had in mind for it. So I said, oh, I can make another pajama set, and I think this would be real cute in the pajama set, maybe in the longer version. So I'm gonna make this one again because it was easy to sew and I enjoy it, but I don't want to go around looking like a baseball player. So the next one that I want to sew is Simplicity 1370. I want to do the skirts version. So I have this khaki twill that I purchased from, I think it was Sewing Studio, and I haven't had a skirt since I was a teenager, so I thought it'd be really cute to kind of make one of my own and wear on vacation. So I plan on making this. And the next one will be Simplicity 8890. So it's a mini G pattern, one of her dresses, and it has like the strappy back. So I thought that'd be real cute to go like when we go to dinner or something like that. And I have this crepe fabric that I want to make the dress out of. So kind of neutral tone, skin tones. I think it'd be cute on me. So the last thing that I want to make is Butterick 4526, and it is a swimsuit pattern. And I picked up some some pink, hot pink fabric for this swimsuit fabric. So I think this would be real cute. I want to do the 2-piece version, so the top and the bottom set. So I've never sewn a swimsuit, but I have my double needle, so I feel I can conquer anything. So I'm gonna try it out and see how it works. But that's all of my makes and all of the things that I plan on making for the rest of June, maybe early July. And maybe I'll record a couple of them if I have a little time. But thank you all for spending a little time with me today, and God bless.